Welcome to English Hub. Today, we will travel to China and discover the story of the amazing Great Wall of China. Get ready to improve your English while learning something incredible. The Great Wall of China is one of the most famous structures in the world. It is not a single wall, but a long system of walls, towers, and forts. It was built to protect China from enemies and to control trade and travel. Today, it is a powerful symbol of Chinese history and culture. Construction of the wall began more than 2,000 years ago during the time of the first emperor, Qin Shi Huang. He ordered workers to connect smaller walls that already existed. Later, other dynasties continued to build and improve the wall. The most famous parts that we see today were built during the Ming Dynasty, between the 14th and 17th centuries. The wall is extremely long. In total, it stretches for more than 21,000 kilometers across mountains, deserts, and grasslands. Workers used local materials such as stone, brick, and earth. Building the wall was very difficult and dangerous. Many workers lost their lives during construction because of hard conditions, hunger, and exhaustion. The Great Wall was used for defense. Soldiers stayed in watchtowers and looked for danger. They also used fire and smoke signals to communicate quickly across long distances. This helped protect cities and people from attacks. Today, the Great Wall is no longer used for military purposes, but it is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world. Millions of visitors walk on it every year and admire its beauty and history. In 1987, it became a UNESCO World Heritage Site, which means it is protected as an important part of human history. The Great Wall teaches us about human perseverance, hard work, and the desire to protect what is important. Even after thousands of years, it still stands as a reminder of the past and a wonder of the modern world. After reading the text, now you are ready to answer the following questions. The full text is available in the description to help you read and answer easily.